A taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanell Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this very delicious, and I mean very delicious, spaghetti stir fry. Yep, this recipe is so simple, very easy to make, and super quick. I guarantee that it will be ready in just under 30 minutes, you guys. Yep, you heard me. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it, y'all. Alrighty, so getting started, I have some boneless chicken, tomato paste, I have some onion blend and pepper blend, and for our start of today's show, of course, our spaghetti. I also have some minced garlic, all-purpose seasoning, and of course, my vegetables for the day. Let's start cooking. Alrighty, so in a bigger bowl, I'll add my boneless chicken. To that, I'll add some curry powder, black pepper powder, smoked paprika, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, and of course, some vegetable oil. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all up because we are going to be leaving this to marinate while we continue the rest of the process. Okay, so I forgot to add my garlic powder and of course some salt to taste. So I'm going to go right ahead and give that a good mix like I did earlier, and then set that aside to marinate whilst we cook. Beautiful. So now in a boiling water, I just added my spaghetti, and to that I'll add a little bit of vegetable oil so they don't clump up together. Cover it halfway for just about 7 minutes so it doesn't boil over. Okay, now in a separate pan, I'll add some vegetable oil. To that I'll add my sliced carrots because it is the hardest of all the vegetables. Give that a good toss for just about 45 seconds to a minute, and then add my onions. Nice. Give that a good toss for just about 30 seconds. We don't want the vegetables to get soggy. And then come in with the rest of our peppers, i.e. the green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, and the red bell peppers, of course. Give that a quick toss, just like so. Beautiful. Look at the beautiful array of colors, you guys. And then I'll add a little bit of shrimp seasoning just for, you know, some taste in the vegetables because we don't want our vegetables to taste bland. Okay, give that a quick toss for just about 30 seconds, and it is time to get it off the heat source, just like so. Beautiful, you guys. Yep, once all that is out, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of vegetable oil to what I have in the pot, and go ahead and add my boneless chicken. Now you can use chicken breast, chicken boneless, chicken thighs, or whatever you prefer. It is fine. Okay, yes, we are going to fry this in there beautifully until it gets brown, just like so. Once it browns up, we are going to go ahead and get it off the heat source again, just like so. Now you can use any protein of choice. You can use beef, goat meat, chicken, turkey, whatever you prefer. It is fine, it will work just fine. Okay, yep. Once that is out again, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more vegetable oil to get started on my spaghetti sauce. Okay, to that I just added my onion blend and my pepper blend. Give that a good stir. Make sure everything is well incorporated, and to that I'll add my tomato paste, my minced garlic, and give that a good stir as well. Make sure it is well incorporated again, just like so. My oil is a little bit on the lesser side, so I'll add just a little bit more to expedite the cooking process. Okay, to that I'll add some smoked paprika, ginger powder, my all-purpose seasoning powder. Give that a good mix. As you can see, the stuff is beginning to tighten up a little bit, just like so. but go ahead and give it a fry just so that it is well incorporated, and then you can add some water to loosen stuff up a bit. Now if you have chicken stock, beef stock, whatever stock it is you have, you can add it at this point instead of the water. Give it a good stir and leave it to fry in there for just about 5 more minutes. Okay, come back after 5 minutes just like so. Adjust your salt if you need to. Remember, I didn't add any salt to my pasta, so you add all of your salt and seasoning at this point. Okay, beautiful. Once it comes to a very good fry for just about 5 minutes, you come in with your spaghetti. Yes, beautiful, you guys. It's beginning to smell like it. Okay, yes, beautiful. Give that a good mix. All the while add your pasta in bits just so that you don't overpack your sauce. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of soy sauce for some more color. You know, you don't really need to, but I just chose to. Okay, yes, give that a good mix, and then come in with all of your proteins, and then your vegetables. The vegetables look so good. It tasted so amazing, you guys. You can enjoy it on its own, but we are making spaghetti. Okay, yes, so the last ingredient you are going to go ahead and add is your spring onions. Okay, give that a good mix, and food is ready for enjoyment. Now to my favorite part, it is serving time. Yep, go ahead and grab your seat, get your cutlery, and let's enjoy. Does this look good, or does this look good? Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really do hope you enjoyed yourself, because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. Until I see you next time, bye.